It's Thursday morning, we're here in Kilkenny, Treffen 2024. We just started to set up our shop. As you can see, we've a lot of products here for sale. We weren't even here to, I'd say, maybe 2 hours, and we already had a lot of customers, sold a lot of products just this morning by getting here, which is a great sign for the weekend coming, that, you know, that we're able to sell so much products in such a short a timeline. And it's a great sign for the business, really, and it just shows what we can do in a short period of time.
It rocks, we out here moving boulders, now we ain't getting posterized. We out here making posters and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers, you better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh. Never stop, don't get it if I want it.
I suppose you wouldn't have seen me on the camera very much selling stuff. It's mainly all Paul, but the cameras aren't rolling all the time. Funny thing about it is that I would sell a lot more stuff than my brother would when the cameras aren't rolling, but the cameras don't get that. But you know, that is a bit of a kick for me that I get to sell some of the stuff without my brother being here, because I get to make up the prices.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside, you see, hate them.
Paul's just gone away from lunch there anyway, and surprisingly enough, I ended up selling more stuff when Paul was on lunch than Paul has sold all morning, which is a bit of a kick for me, to be honest, because I get to slag my own brother about selling more of his own product than he can sell himself.
Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop, don't get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself.
At the moment, I'm just here inside the shop, very quiet at the moment. They're all going to be on a run with the bikes around Kilkenny. Paul has gone out with them with his young son, who's mad into the bikes as well, who loves them. They're going travelling around for maybe a 2 or 3 hour spin. It's the Nation of Flags, the Ride of Nations today, where everyone gets to put the flags on the back of the bike to say what country they're coming from and represent, which is great because you have a great international community in and around here, people from different countries mixing and mingling and getting to know each other, which I think is it's a great event that should keep on.
Make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
It's Saturday evening now at the moment, and the event is starting to close up and we're starting to pack away things. It was another great couple of days here at the Treffen. You know, we come here mainly for the community aspect of it, to build relationships with the customers, trust with the customers. Those times you do make money, those times you don't, but that's not our goal really for coming to the Treffens. Our goal here is to build relationships with the customers, trusting relationships. You get to know our faces and you get to know us, and that is our main goal for coming here to the Treffens, is the sense of community and the building of trust with customers, because that is what keeps the business going, is trust is the main thing, and that is why we're here, is to build relationships with our customers. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel as much as you can, and give a thumbs up if you like the interview. Thank you very much.